running your mouth when you're lying. I stay on my business and watch you dying. I'm taking my people to ice cream crime, but regular living, and that's what I'm trying to prove. That it's just lying to boost. First truth, Filipino rapper on the news. Say enjoy if you're cool. Hey, this is new while I put my city on the map. 22 double O, lock up a city, no cap. Never forget in the street with my cousin would say we all just listen to rap. King Drip, give me ASAP with some metal and man, we turn up for that. But one day, till the sun came, I'm a born fame, like a kid in the trap. Hey, I've been in Spain, but under the S is silent. I'm claiming more rent like a key so I can water pump surviving. Go away if you tripping, yeah. Had a homie, he was crippin', cut. Ain't gonna love for the people who talk over songs when they claiming to listen. These bars never done. 3 stars in the sun. Hey, blue red Drake down on the flag. No, we never fear none. Most of us didn't grow up with a trust fund, but I'm willing to kill for a loved one. Wanna move from another in the summer, reminding my people to sound. Tayo ay Pilipino, kahit anong kulay ng balat. Walang Tagalog, Bisaya o Ilocano. Walang tatalo sa pagsik ng ating mundo. Isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo. Huwag nang pag-usapan ng mga negatibo. Pangyayari sa mampanika nasa mundo. Kinabukasan na natin to. Isigaw! Kung inakala mong isang ligwahe lang kayang gamitin ni Easy Mila ang magbabala kung ganyan ka mag-isip ka batala kasi singil utang nagaling sa loob na lumutang inain sa tron usang sinain sa ano daw uray mga impagkatin niya yung tiuin ituyak lang ang gurguray mo sinudi ang dayong takluwas ang kahitang aking tiwagkas mga payong at nakay-kayadam mapatayin ka ka na to'y bayo di ko bisaya pero sulayan na ako ilang sandaka og tuwagan hindi mo ba imo baba nga sa masa irong murag kumuning pangyaw ko maiko makaulik kag wala na kay dug ngumurang agbug makamako na ako ang bato nga nawag sa karon and pwede nobody will ever look at me the same way gonna make sense habang labisyon ni season na nalala ako nung wala ko siguro lahat na sakta na nalamin nila na pinatay ang kanila bayani sa kadagatan ng bansa na pag-aari ng Pilipino despite in turmoil I'll be proud of my soil. Bakit? It's Tagalog, Bisaya o walang tatalo sa pagsikaw. Isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo. Huwag nang pag-usapan ng mga pangyayari sa mampanika. Kinabukasan, isigaw, ha? Thank you all so much for coming out tonight. Thank you to the Black Eyed Peas for having me. And most of all, maraming salamat kay Kuya Apple. Peace, y'all. Thank you.